Okay, grade 5, week 5, rotation. This is video 4. And we're going to be, I want you to turn to page 310 in your textbook. We're going to be finishing off the practice items 5, 6, and 7. And basically, I think you have been given enough instruction, you had enough practice to be able to do these on your own. The one thing I'm going to do, because I am a stickler for good drawings, is show you how to do the drawings. So for number 6, you've got an A and a B, so I'll expect to see, or your teacher will expect to see 2 drawings. The shape itself, and then the image that goes with it after you have applied the direction, fraction, and point of rotation information to render the image from the shape that you're drawing. Okay, so 6. When I look at number 6, I say, okay, well, G to H is an easy way to start. It is 1 left, 1 down. So I'll call this point G there, and 1 left, 1 down would put me right there. 1 left, 1 down, right there. Point H. Okay. Now going in the other direction, G to F is 3 right and 1 down. So 1, 2, 3 right and 1 down. So point F would be there. Join that up. There we go. F to E is no right or left, but 2 down. So 1, 2 down, right there. There is point E. E to J is 3 left and 1 down. So 1, 2, 3 left and 1 down. So that point there. J, okay, and J to H is just finishing it off. So do that twice, and then A asks you to do a half turn clockwise, turning around or about vertex E. And B asks you to do a half turn counterclockwise, also about vertex E, and then to say what you notice about the 2 drawings. Okay, so that is number 6, 2 drawings for that. I'll come over the other side here, and you can do number 7. Now number 7, you're going to want to do 4 drawings for. Okay, so again, I'm just going to show you how you do the drawing initially, the shape. So, A, this is number 7, okay? A to B is 3 right, 1 up. So I'll just start here, and 1, that'd be a little, no, that's good. 1, 2, 3. Right, 1 up, puts me there. So that is A, and that is B. Okay. B to C is nothing right or left, but 6 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So B to C would be there, 6 down. C to D is 3 left and 3 up. So 1, 2, 3 left and 1, 2, 3 up. Right there. There's D. And now D to A is 2 up. But it was just a matter of joining it anyway, but I just checked to make sure that I had done it correctly. So you need to do 4 of those, and then A, B, C, or D, you're asked to This is, you're allowed to, or you're encouraged to determine which vertex you want to use, which direction, and describe how the shape gets to the image, what the rotation, the nature of the rotation is, and then change one element each time in each of the other 3 drawings for a total of 4. So always remember to label the original one shape, so that it's clear which is the shape and which is the image. For number 8, you don't have to do any drawing at all. You have the shape, which is in dark blue, and you say, what transformation took the shape to A, then took the shape to B, then took the shape to C, and then took the shape to D? In other words, which transformation is involved? Is it a translation? Is it a reflection? Or is it a rotation? You do those 4, and you say what they are, and describe them in the way we're using the precise word, meaning of the word describe. And then there's additional question, can you describe any movements in more than one way explained? So that's kind of an open-ended question. There have been some where it could be either one or another. It could be a rotation and a translation. But I will leave it up to you to figure out which, if any of these fit that criteria. Can be more than one thing. And your explanation is what you'll get marked on. Now, of course, the only other thing you have to do is, in your practice and homework book, Unit 8, Lesson 4, on, let me check the pages for that. That will be pages 122 and 123. So, that is your independent practice or your independent work to show that you've understood what it is that we've been working on. So, that's it for this week, rotation, and I'm sure all the teachers will be looking forward to seeing your work. Next, we move on to statistics and probability, which involves, amongst other things, graph work. And my understanding is that most of you are quite comfortable with that. So that should be a good 5-week or 4-week bit of work to do. GoPro, stop recording.